First thing you're going to want to do is ensure that you have your user manual for your system and your calibration certificate that is calibrated here at Binsfeld Engineering, then also to the date specified during shipment. Set those out of the way, we'll need those for later. Then we're going to make sure that everything kind of visibly is intact and good upon receiving your shipment. The receiver for the 10K, everything looks good. Set that aside for now. The transmitter, you'll see the serialized number to the specific transmitter, and the battery holder for the transmitter. Other various items including the remote, power cable, magnetic antenna extension, and DB9 cable. You have your batteries. Every system comes with 2 batteries. And then your toolkit, wires, and battery connections and antennas are all in a plastic bag, along with strapping tape and brittle rubber. Move this out of the way for a minute. So first thing we're going to do is be working with the receiver. We want to ensure that we plug in power to make sure that the display comes on and everything's working right. See power input. There is a on switch in the back. Make sure that it's flipped to the on position, and you will see the screen come to life. Test functionality with the buttons just to make sure that they do select and move, which they do, and we'll keep that right there for now. Next thing we're going to want to do is set up the magnetic antenna. This does come with an extension cable in case you need extra room, but for now we're just going to set up the magnetic antenna, as I believe this is about 15 feet worth of antenna cable. The coax connection is right here. You just want to make sure that you have a good solid contact before screwing it on, not to mess up any of the threads on there. And your magnetic antenna is connected. There is a safety cap on top of the antenna mount. We're going to go ahead and remove the safety cap. You can save it for later if you want to put it back on, but it's not necessary. We're going to go ahead into our bag and we're going to pull out the aluminum receiver antenna element, which looks like this here. And we're going to screw that on to the magnetic antenna. Now this magnetic antenna can go to anything metal. Put it as close to the transmitter as possible if you can, but if not, about 25 feet of distance is preferred. Okay. So now that we have our receiver and our antenna set up, we're going to work on the transmitter, which is right here, and we're going to find the antenna and place the transmitter antenna into the coax input. That is also in your bag. You will see the transmitter antenna. So now you have your receiver, your antenna, and your transmitter all prepped and ready to go.